I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying Mac OS and clearing enough disk space. This avoids interruptions later. Once done, install Homebrew because it simplifies package management and ensures consistent installs. Make sure to install Python 3.10 or Miniforge for ARM/Intel compatibility. This gives you Conda or pip isolation. Next, open Terminal and run the Homebrew and Python install commands. These are the foundational steps that make Jupyter stable and reproducible. Now you create an isolated environment so your libraries won't conflict. Activate the env and install Jupyter Lab, Notebook, and ipykernel. These provide both classic and modern interfaces. Once installed, register the kernel so Jupyter sees your environment. This step links your Python interpreter to notebooks. Make sure to test by launching Jupyter Lab or Notebook in Terminal. Then open a new notebook, selecting the newly registered kernel to confirm imports work and paths resolve. Finish by launching Jupyter and copying the local URL into your browser. You can set a password or token for convenience. Once up, install useful extensions and set your preferred browser or default port to streamline workflow. If things go wrong, check that your activated env appears as a kernel, verify path and Python versions, and reinstall ipykernel if needed. If errors persist, read terminal logs for tracebacks. They point to missing packages or permission issues you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.